Today we re-diving deep into something many of you have asked for. A complete beginner-esque guide to spot trading on Bybit. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by charts, confused by different order types, or maybe you've even lost money trying to trade, then this video is for you. We're going to break everything down step by step so you can start your trading journey with confidence, discipline, and a solid understanding of how to protect your capital. We'll cover what spot trading actually is, the biggest mistakes beginners make, and a full tutorial on how to use the Bybit platform effectively. So grab a coffee and let's get started. First, what exactly is spot trading? Simply put, spot trading is the direct buying and selling of cryptocurrencies for immediate delivery. When you buy Bitcoin on the spot market, you own the actual Bitcoin. It's yours and it appears in your wallet right away. You can hold it, send it, or sell it later. This is different from futures or derivatives trading, where you're just speculating on the future price without owning the underlying asset. For beginners, spot trading is the safest and most straightforward way to get into crypto. It's the foundation of everything, and mastering it is crucial. Now, let's talk about a tough but important topic. Why do so many beginners lose money? The number one reason is a lack of knowledge and discipline. They jump in without understanding the market, they don't have a strategy, and they let their emotions take over. The biggest emotional trap is what we call FOMO, or the fear of missing out. You see a coin's price skyrocketing. Everyone online is talking about it, and you feel this intense pressure to buy in before you miss the rocket to the moon. So you buy at the peak, and what happens next? The price often corrects, and you're left holding a bag at a loss. The opposite of FOMO is FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. You see some negative news, the price dips a little, and you panic sell, only to watch it recover and climb higher without you. Trading based on FOMO and FUD is a guaranteed way to lose money. A successful trader makes decisions based on a plan and analysis, not on hype or fear. So how do we avoid these traps? It starts with using a reliable and user-friendly platform. That's where Bybit comes in. Let's walk through the Bybit Spot Trading interface together. If you want to start spot trading on Bybit the right way, use the registration link in the description and apply the referral code 50 refund to get fee rebates and the welcome bonus. Once you've registered and deposited some funds, go to the Trade tab and select Spot Trading. You'll then choose the trading pair you're interested in, for example, BTC USD. This means you're trading Bitcoin against Tether. On the left, you'll see the order book, which shows all the current buy and sell orders from other traders. In the middle is the price chart, your most important tool. You can view the price over different time frames, from minutes to months, and use various indicators to analyze trends. On the right is where you'll place your orders. It might look a bit intimidating at first, but we're about to demystify it. Let's focus on the most important part, placing an order. You'll see options for buy and sell. The two most common order types you'll use as a beginner are market orders and limit orders. A market order is the simplest. If you want to buy Bitcoin right now at the current market price, you use a market order. You just enter the amount you want to spend, click buy, and the trade executes instantly at the best available price. It's fast and easy, but you don't have control over the exact price you pay. It's great when your priority is getting into or out of a position quickly. Now, let's talk about the limit order. This is where you gain more control and start trading like a pro. A limit order lets you set the specific price at which you want to buy or sell. Okay, now for the most critical part of this entire video, risk management. This is what separates successful traders from those who blow up their accounts. Rule number 1, never invest more than you are willing to lose. The crypto market is volatile and there are no guarantees. Your trading capital should be money that you can afford to lose without it affecting your daily life. Rule number 2, the 1% rule. This is a simple but powerful guideline. Never risk more than 1% of your total trading capital on a single trade. For example, if you have a $1,000 trading account, you should not risk losing more than $10 on any one trade. This ensures that even if you have a string of losing trades, you'll still have plenty of capital left to keep trading and recover. It protects you from catastrophic losses and keeps you in the game. So how do you apply the 1% rule? You do it by using a stop loss. A stop loss is an order you place in advance to automatically sell your position if the price drops to a certain level. Finally, let's quickly touch on trading fees. Every time you buy or sell, you pay a small fee. While they seem small, they can add up over time and eat into your profits. On Bybit, there are a couple of ways to reduce these fees. First, Bybit has a tiered fee structure. The more you trade, the lower your fees become. Second, holding Bybit's own token, MNT, can sometimes offer fee discounts or other benefits, so it's worth checking the platform's current promotions. Also, when you use a limit order, you are often acting as a maker, adding liquidity to the order book. Maker fees are typically lower than taker fees, which you pay when using a market order that takes liquidity away. So, using limit orders not only gives you better price control, but can also save you money on fees in the long run. If you want to start spot trading on Bybit the right way, use the registration link in the description and apply the referral code 50 refund to get fee rebates and the welcome bonus. To wrap this all up, becoming a successful spot trader on Bybit or any platform isn't about finding a magic formula or getting lucky. It's about building a solid foundation of knowledge, cultivating discipline, and managing your risk meticulously. Start with spot trading, learn to read the charts, master the use of limit orders, and always use a stop loss. Don't chase pumps, don't panic sell during dips. Create a trading plan and stick to it. Remember that trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Your goal is not to get rich overnight, but to grow your account steadily and sustainably over time. Take it slow, learn from your mistakes, and never stop educating yourself. Thank you so much for watching this comprehensive guide. I hope it has clarified the process of spot trading and given you the confidence to get started on the right foot. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or what topic you'd like me to cover next. Trade safe, and I'll see you in the next video.